Good evening, folks. Good evening. It's Sasha, your friendly tarot reader and paranormal romance author, soon turned dark paranormal romance author. I'm here with your tarot reading for Thursday because I am doing that um, with a bit of a special thing. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. I actually had intended to get this done earlier this morning because we were having some issues at work, and then as I was about to pull the card, my fucking Teams rings, and I gotta go over there and do that. And I'm like, holy shit. My boss is like, well, what's up with this? I said, well, I was about to pull a card. She goes, oh, do me. And then she said, no, I don't really believe in that sort of stuff. And she's kind of joking about it. So to spite her, I pulled a card. Yeah, for those of you who finding me from work, it's actually a good card. I'm not going to spoil it. She can tell you or not. But point is, I pulled a card. Ha! Take that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to do my owl pull today for you guys. It's been a busy, interesting last 2 days. Stressful. Like, yesterday's calls were wonderful in terms of, like, easy to answer for the most part, but they were just, like, hella... A couple of them were just complicated as shit, man. Like, what to do and spending the time with the member or our internal team to make sure we get everything done right and handled proper so that we look good, they look good, the company is happy, the members happy, whatever the fuck the story is, right? Anyway, but y'all don't really care about that. Y'all are here because your favorite paranormal romance author also happens to read tarot. And I might have a little bit of a difference for you today. I haven't pulled out of my Oracle decks in a while, but my Moonology deck at the first of the year, right? And then I guess during the last full moon, check the wheel. But I am going to do a different poll today. Still the deck of owls or Parliament, but we're pulling from the Ganesha Oracle deck as a guidance, right? I like to use the Oracle decks, just for those of you who are new to this or new to me or don't know. I like to use the Oracle decks as a backdrop or a framework for what the one card may pull. So you've seen me do it numerous times. I like the Ganesha deck just because I have a drawing towards that. And again, it was also a gift from a loved one that once shared the same space as I did from time to time. That being said, we pulled our card for that. I'm going to give these one more shuffle. Oh, and I also mentioned to my new work buddies, too. This is Western Union Telegraph. (2023) Mourvedre. I don't drink a lot of California wines in general these days. I think I've mentioned before that they all tend to have a baking spice taste at the same point. Might have been the wines I was getting. It might have been the temperature, because down here it's perfect. But anyway, from War Room Cellars / Bonnie Doon, that was the glass of wine for the afternoon into this evening. These cards are ready. Here's how we're going to frame them. They're all going to come through the lens of our fantastic Ganesha priorities. Now, the book itself mentions we only have a limited amount of time each day to make the most of what's going on in the day, so what are you doing with your time, right? That's kind of an obvious thing. When you add the tarot card for it, that gives us a little more context around our situation. So as we pull this into focus here, my owls are ready. The Parliament is happy. The wine is about to wine. Needs to warm up just a touch. Our owl. Interesting thought. So here is our owl for the day into the weekend. The Emperor, on his own. He is steadfast. He is locked in, loaded, set. This is the way it is going to be. This is my time. This is my desire. These are my wishes. These are my rules, right? Very, very assured. Very, very, you can see the stone on the background. You can see the authority with which our particular feathered friend perches upon and has him within himself. Now we pair that here with, again, the time card, the time component, right? Priorities. So the obvious question is, what are your priorities? Where is your head and heart? Are they aligning with that to utilize the time left in the day, in the month, in the minute, whatever it is, to the best of your ability. And if not, always we can seek out the Emperor's sense of duty, we'll call it for lack of a better word. So that is your reading for the day into the weekend. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you soon.